Okay, so hi, my name is Professor Lannis. You get to meet me before our first day of class. This is for sports econ, econ 330. So we meet Tuesday, Thursdays, 3:30 to 3:30, to 4:45. And we're lucky enough to have a classroom over in the Arts and Journalism building where all of us can meet at one time. There's enough seats for everybody. I haven't been able to gain access to the classroom yet, so I'm not sure what the layout looks like, but prior to class on Tuesday on Canvas, I'll post a seating chart. It's really just going to be alphabetical once I get kind of the layout of what that classroom looks like in terms of how many seats there are and where I'm supposed to sit people based off of our COVID protocols. So hopefully that should be posted sometime tomorrow if I can get an answer to an email because I wasn't able to physically access the classroom. If not, on Tuesday, we'll kind of sit wherever you want, and then I'll create a seating chart based off of that. All right, so that is still to be determined, but look for that on Canvas. Otherwise, sit wherever you want on Tuesday, and we'll kind of make the seating chart based off of that. So because we can meet every single day, that should really help alleviate some of the kind of hybrid model of this course. But I realize not everybody's comfortable maybe showing up in class, given the current climate. People might get sick throughout the semester. In fact, people likely will get sick based off of my experience from last semester. And so I have a couple tools to help us with that. So if you're not able to attend class, you can still sign in live via Zoom. So every class period, I'll be lecturing, but I'll also be kind of recording that lecture via Zoom, and you can watch it live, and you start out muted, but you can unmute and ask questions live, and it's really kind of gives that synchronous experience without having to physically be in the classroom. If for some reason you miss class or you're sick and you're not able to kind of get on and really view and really comprehend everything, I also post those Zoom meetings. I record them and I post those on YouTube later. So I'll show you right now how to access all of these before we start class on Monday. Tuesday. So here's Zoom, right? I got another class pulled up here, but let's go to our class, Econ 330. And a lot of the times as I'm kind of streaming these recordings, I'll leave this box open to kind of humanize it so you can see me talking, right? And I have a bad habit of looking at the video instead of the camera. So if we go down here in Canvas, well, first of all, you can see in the files folder, we've already got this first week of lecture slides posted. So we'll start going through these on Tuesday. I've got the syllabus up there, which has some important information, and we'll go over some of that Tuesday as well. And then course readings, which we'll have an explanation on Tuesday what those are as well. But here's kind of where you'll get those lecture slides. If we go to scroll down, go down to Zoom, you'll notice if this pulls up, I've got every single class period already scheduled. So Tuesday afternoon, 3:25, I should have already started the meeting. So you go here, and I think for you, instead of start, it might say join, but either way, you'll have a prompt where you can join the Zoom meeting. Once you're in, and it hits 3:30, I'll start class and you can watch it live, okay? But also I'll be recording it the entire time. So even if you aren't able to attend class and you can't do it synchronously through Zoom at that specific time, what I also have done is created a YouTube page. And the easiest way to get there, now in the syllabus that's up there, you can copy and paste a link and it'll send you right to this page. But honestly, the way that I even get to it a lot of times is I just go to YouTube and I search Professor Lannis. Right? So apparently there's not a lot of us out there because my name pops up first. We'll click on that channel. We'll hit playlist. Now you can see here's my sections from last semester. And once I post this video, you'll be able to see your section. So Econ 330, section 1, I guess. But if you were to click on it, right, and I'll pause before the audio starts, you can see last semester here for, Econ 221, every single time we met in class, I have it recorded and posted, right? So I might also, leading up to exams, post additional help videos on some additional problems to get you ready for review problems, to get you ready for the exam. So this will be kind of the main page on YouTube, this Professor Lannis page for you to observe all those materials, watch any classes you missed. And as terrible as all this COVID stuff has been, one thing I've realized too is having these recorded Zoom meetings, it allows students to, even if you were attending that class, you can go back and then look at, okay, I know we did a problem similar to this, go back, find it, see how I worked through it, and that can help you on the homeworks and studying for exams and things like that. So I think this should be all the information you need before we start class on Tuesday. There should be nothing that you need to necessarily do other than make sure you can access Zoom on a device if you're not able to show up in person on Tuesday. Okay? Hope you guys had a good break, and look forward to seeing you all on Tuesday.